Guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Today I'm going to be installing a graphic down the side of the car, well obviously one down each side of the car, and I've got it out in the garden now, just lay out, trying to keep it flat. These are mainly for facelifts. You don't really see them on many pre-facelifts, I don't think, but it's something that I like, so I'm going to try it on mine. I'll take you out to the car now and show you what we've got and try and explain a couple of things. Okay, so there is the graphics that we've got. Now in there, there's 4 strips, so you have one that goes from there to there, and then one that goes from there to the back of the car, and it actually follows this line here, so it goes all the way across up there, just to accentuate that body line a bit more. They usually have the wing badges, the Mark 2, which comes down like this. So the Mark 2, I mean the RS wing badges. But I'm going to try it with these, so we'll see how we get on with that. Right guys, so this is what we've got. This one is for the driver's side, and then what's in there is for the passenger side. We've got some IPA I'm just going to wipe the surface down with, just to try and help it stick to the surface a bit better. I cleaned the car the other day as well, so it's nice and clean. So this bit goes where the wing badge would be. I don't know if they send you that just in case you want to get rid of it completely or what, but I'm not going to be using this piece. So this piece will just go from the door shut line and go to the door handle, and then this one will be from the little bit by the door handle to the edge of the door, and then this one will be on the rear quarter going back towards the petrol cap. These were from second hand, but they came with everything that it would do from DMB, and that's obviously where they came from, DMB graphics, which, as I've said in the past, are brilliant. So what I've done is I've cut that side off, because it's obviously it stops there anyway, so cut that side off and we can line that up properly. So I'm going to start with the piece around the handle so that I can get a nice line coming that way, whereas if I start there, knowing my luck, I'd end up at the door somewhere and it wouldn't line up, so I'm going to start that side. I'm just going to start off a little bit at a time, get this placed down, and then as I come down the body, making sure that I've got it straight, I can start peeling the backing paper off. Not sure about this bit now. I think I might use a piece of that other bit of vinyl that I said about that I'd cut off from there, just to link it in there a little bit, because it just looks out of place there, so I'm going to sort that. But no, I'm happy with that. I think that looks pretty cool. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. I know you will anyway. Oh yeah, and the only thing obviously on the driver's side that you have to do is to make a little cut on there for it to fit around the petrol cap. being honest, I don't think I did it very well. Okay guys, there we have the install of the DMP side graphics. I'm not 100% happy with it. I messed up on one piece, so I'm gonna have to try and sort that out when it reheat it and lift it up so I can get it a bit more straight. But we live and we learn, don't we? These things are sent to try us, and at the end of the day, I'm a novice. I have no idea what I'm doing with any of the stuff that I do, so it's just it's a learning curve for me. So there we have it. I'll learn from my mistakes. I'll either have to reorder it and redo that piece, or like I say, I'll try and heat it up and sort it. The links will be in the description below for the graphic, in case you want to copy yourself one. Thanks again for watching, guys, and also check out my I've created a new Instagram account for Masters Mods just for this YouTube channel, so any content that gets posted on there will be to do with the graphics. No, it won't. It'll be to do with the car, and obviously things will get uploaded there earlier than they will for YouTube. Thanks again for watching, guys. See you in the next one.